Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest and the coolest locket or a necklace or whatever you call it. So first we take a very cool piece of rock and then we have a string. It could be nylon string or whatever. So it's like I prefer black. You can actually take whatever you want. So first we're gonna measure it like this and then find the middle point. Then I'm just going to roll it like this. 3, 4. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bind this side. See, I give maybe 2 or 3. It depends on what are you using as the pendant. So tighten it up a bit so that it doesn't fall off. Then we're gonna bind this part. Gonna yeah, so it's easy and simple. Let me show how it looks. Locket, I prefer this kind of length, so you can actually choose it and adjust it to your preference. So after being done with the length, all you're going to do is just tie a knot very simply. So here's the final result, as you can see. Very cool.